Hello everyone. What Nvidia is trying to capture first in physical AI is not the robot itself, but the data and the environment the robot learns from. That is the core of this story. When people talk about physical AI, they usually think about robot hardware first. But what matters more is how quickly a robot can learn from high-quality data. A robot does not become useful instantly in the real world. It has to observe, move, make mistakes, and learn again. The problem is that real-world data is slow and expensive. That is why Nvidia is moving less like a company that makes robots, and more like a company that builds the environment where robots learn. According to Reuters, Nvidia and Cadence are working together to combine Cadence's physics simulation engine with Nvidia's AI models for robotics AI development. The goal is clear. Instead of collecting data slowly in the real world, they want to create better training data much faster in virtual environments. After the announcement, Cadence shares rose more than 4%. This is not just another partnership headline. It shows that the real bottleneck in robotics is not only hardware, it is also the quality and quantity of training data and the ability to generate that data repeatedly. Nvidia has already been building toward this. With Isaac Sim, Nvidia provides a simulation framework where robots can be trained and tested in virtual environments. With Cosmos World Models and Isaac Groot, it is pushing a broader stack designed to accelerate physical AI and robotics training. In other words, Nvidia is trying to connect the whole flow, build the virtual world, generate the data inside it, and use that data to train robot models. And the important point is this: Nvidia does not need to manufacture the final robot to stay central. If it provides the simulation environment, the synthetic data pipeline, the GPUs that run the training, and the framework that connects it all, then as robotics grows, Nvidia can still stay at the center of the stack. So what Nvidia is really targeting is not a single robot. It is the entire robot learning pipeline. And this pattern is showing up elsewhere too. Reuters also reported that ABB is using Nvidia Omniverse to improve the realism of factory robot training, and Foxconn is already piloting the technology. That suggests physical AI is moving beyond demos and starting to connect with real manufacturing environments. That also changes the investment angle. A lot of people immediately ask, which robot company wins? But early on, the more likely beneficiaries may be GPUs, simulation software, EDA tools, digital twins, and cloud-based training infrastructure. And the first stock names to watch are becoming clearer. Nvidia is the platform that connects GPUs with the robot learning stack. Cadence is a direct beneficiary at the simulation and design tool layer. And more broadly, digital twin and industrial simulation software companies may also be worth watching. So after this video, it may make more sense to watch the stocks tied to the infrastructure that helps robots learn faster, like Nvidia and Cadence, before focusing only on robot manufacturers themselves. The market reaction in Cadence already points in that direction. Investors are starting to respond not only to the robot itself, but to the tools and infrastructure that help the robot learn faster. So the simplest way to say it is this: the starting point of physical AI is not robot hardware. It is data learning. And Nvidia is moving to capture that learning layer first. And that also means the earliest winners in physical AI may not necessarily be robot manufacturers. They may be the companies that control training data and simulation infrastructure first.